Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm not going to say you'll ever draw this, but I was just playing around tonight and I thought this is some at least four tools to create this that some people might not know exist. And the first one is the freehand tool. Right here, you have a slider bar that will go up to 100. If I put this on 50, which I think is default, and I try to create this, it's going to look like that. Now I'm going to do I'm going to keep that up there. Let me zoom in. And I'm going to get the freehand tool and I'm going to turn it to 100. You can use the slide bar, but it's a lot easier just to type it in. Now we're going to take the same thing, and I'm not going to try any harder, but I'm going to do this and make that, and see how much more smooth it is than that. You've got some, sections right there that are rough. This is constant. And then you could still take that one and improve on it if you wanted to by grabbing the shape tool and, manipulating some of the circles, and, you don't have to go with it with that. But what we're also going to want to do, I'm going to turn this into a cusp by right-clicking and turn it into a cusp. And by doing that, only one handle is going to move. I don't know that's going to be my advantage. The only thing when you're going to do something like this, you want that last node to be straight. Because now what we're going to do is a second little hint. I'm going to make it thicker. Maybe that's too thick. And we're going to go right here, and there's two sides. There's the right side, which is the end, and the left side, which is the start. And we're going to pick an arrow. Look at that. Now you can change that direction of that arrow by taking your shape tool and moving your line, not really your arrow, but it'll move your line. So that's the second one. The third one would be to make a duplicate of that, or hit the plus key, and maybe don't go straight down, kind of come over. And I'm going to use yellow. And then I'm going to select both of those. So I right-click yellow to make it yellow. I'm going to go to Effects, and I'm going to blend just 10 times. Now, it doesn't look too spectacular till you put a black box around it. Now, my arrows are a little bit too close together, so you could back up here, move your yellow a little bit further away, and then select it, or blend it less, and then bring the black box in, and you've got that. I don't know what you'd ever use that for, but might give you some ideas on something in the future. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.